Hey yo, what you all know? Jason Aram here. Appreciate you stopping in. But today, I think we're going to be doing an unboxing of this here Milwaukee hedge trimmer. I don't know if you can see behind me here, but I got a tree down and I need to find a stump out there by the pond. We're going to try to burn it out with them there limbs. So today, I want to unbox this thing. We're going to get a first use out of it, and then I want to tell you what I think. Now I have the Milwaukee Fuel brushless power head here. It runs my weed eater, my pole saw, and now this hedge trimmer. So let's get this thing started. I'll be right back. What we have here today is the Milwaukee hedge trimmer. It's powered by the Milwaukee Quik Lok, which is right here behind me. I've got a 6 amp hour battery, high output battery in it, so this will have enough juice to cut what it's supposed to cut. There's some stuff here on the sides, a couple different languages apparently. I guess we want this side over here, which doesn't really say much. But let's get to this unboxing and see what's in it. So it comes with the strap. Seems to be padded. Metal fixtures. The tool and a scabbard. And instructions. Got instructions on how to put your strap on your power head. My winning code I need to register. I wonder how much money it'd cost to buy everything that's on this paper. If you want to make a guess, I'm kind of interested to see what you guys think compared to me. Leave me a comment down below. I got a dragonfly flying around here. That's pretty cool. I don't know why I'm looking at these because I'm not going to read it. There's not that many pictures in it. There's the feature that I'm after. We're going to use this like a sickle mower because I don't have any hedges. So there she is in all of her beauty. Don't that thing look scary? Takes about a ½ inch cut. Should go through them blackberries pretty easy. We got some weeds to do first. I guess you just pull this little thing down and then she'll clip into one of these mini holes here to get your correct angle that you're looking for. That's the feature that I was looking for, at least. So here we have the power head. Your little push button thing here. And your tightening knob. Got your little arrows. It's clicked in. Tighten it down. It's kind of hefty with that on the end. It weighs more than a pole saw. Now I see why they gave us a little strap. Let's figure out how to put it on. So the picture shows that it goes right here. Right where it says place handle here. I never noticed that before, but we're going to put the strap right there. Looks like I'm going to need a star bit and maybe a 3/8, most likely metric. We're going to call that 10 millimeter. I'll be right back.
I don't really want you to suffer watching me try to put this thing together, so I decided to fast forward it, make it as quick and painless as possible. So now get ready for the end results of this wonderful tool.
impressed, guys. Didn't even use a bar on this battery. I did almost the entire pond.
Thanks for watching, and remember, smile while you still have teeth.